Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ali. We're in 2023 and AI is blowing up like seriously exploding. Imagine this, your daily grind but smoother, faster, and maybe even a little more fun. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 AI tools, all totally free, that are about to become your new secret weapons. We're talking next level productivity, creativity, and just straight up making life easier. So, if you're ready to upgrade your day-to-day, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss part 2, and let's jump right into it. First up, we're kicking things off with ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this is not your average chatbot. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Need to draft a killer email but struggling to find the right words? ChatGPT to the rescue. Whether it's a professional email or a casual note, it has you covered. Just feed it some context, maybe a few bullet points of what you want to say, and bam! It'll spit out an email draft that's clear, concise, and actually sounds like you wrote it. It's like having a writing coach right at your fingertips. ChatGPT is also a brainstorming beast. Stuck on a project or need some fresh ideas? Got a project you're stuck on? Whether it's for work, school, or a personal endeavor, hit up ChatGPT, bounce some ideas off of it, and see what it comes up with. You might be surprised at the innovative solutions it suggests, and watch as it helps you unlock new perspectives and creative solutions you wouldn't believe. It's like having a creative partner who never runs out of ideas. From history questions to coding conundrums, ChatGPT is versatile. This AI assistant has an answer for pretty much anything you can throw at it. Now the coolest part, ChatGPT is completely free to use over at OpenAI's website. No hidden fees, no subscriptions. Trust me, once you experience the power of ChatGPT, you'll be hooked. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for all your digital needs. Alright, next up, we're diving into the world of design, and no, you don't need to be a Photoshop pro for this one. Canva is designed to be intuitive and accessible for everyone, regardless of your design experience. Canva AI is here to make you look like a design genius, effortlessly transforming your ideas into stunning visuals, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. No more struggling with complicated software or spending hours on a single design. Canva's Magic Design feature is where the real magic happens. This tool leverages advanced AI to understand your needs and deliver exactly what you envision. Just tell Canva what you're looking for. Maybe it's a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, a business card, or even a presentation. And watch as the AI whips up stunning visuals in seconds. The AI works quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. It's like having a professional designer at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life. They've got a library of pre-designed templates that are already optimized for different platforms and purposes. Whether you need something for social media, marketing, or personal projects, Canva has you covered. Even if you're a complete design newbie, you'll be whipping up professional-looking visuals in no time. The interface is user-friendly and guides you through each step of the process. So, if you're ready to level up your design game without the learning curve, give Canva AI a shot. It's the perfect tool to unleash your creativity and produce amazing designs effortlessly. Okay, let's talk about turning your wildest imaginations into actual images. Imagine having a tool that can bring to life anything you can dream up, no matter how fantastical or outlandish it may seem. No, I'm not talking about hiring a professional artist. I'm talking about DALL-E 2, the AI that's basically a dream machine for the visually creative. This tool is revolutionizing the way we think about art and creativity. You literally type in what you want to see. It could be anything, like a cat riding a unicorn on the moon or a city made of pizza, and DALL-E 2 will generate multiple image options based on your description. The possibilities are endless and only limited by your imagination. The level of detail and creativity in these AI-generated images is mind-blowing. Each image is unique and can be tailored to fit your specific vision, making it a powerful tool for artists and creators. Imagine having the ability to visualize anything you can think of, no matter how abstract or surreal. This opens up new avenues for creativity and innovation, allowing you to explore concepts that were previously unimaginable. Whether you're an artist looking for fresh ideas, a writer in need of visual aids, or just someone who loves to explore the boundaries of imagination, DALL-E 2 is a must-try. It can serve as a source of inspiration, a creative partner, or even a fun way to pass the time. So go ahead, unleash your inner artist, and let DALL-E 2 bring your wildest visual fantasies to life. Dive into a world where words become art and creativity knows no bounds. Alright, let's be real. Writing isn't everyone's forte, and that's where Grammarly swoops in to save the day. This AI-powered writing assistant is like having a personal editor on call 24/7. It catches those pesky typos and grammatical errors that we all miss, even after proofreading 100 times. Grammarly goes way beyond just basic spell check. It analyzes your writing style, tone, and clarity, offering suggestions to make your sentences sharper, your vocabulary more precise, and your overall message more impactful. So, if you're ready to take your writing from meh to magnificent, give Grammarly a shot. Okay, let's talk about organization because let's be real, life can get pretty chaotic, but fear not, because Trello AI is here to rescue you from the clutches of chaos. If you haven't heard of Trello before, it's basically a digital whiteboard where you can organize anything and everything into boards, lists, and cards. Trello AI takes this organization game to a whole new level. With its AI-powered features, Trello can now help you prioritize tasks, schedule deadlines, and even automate repetitive actions, freeing up your time and mental energy for the things that really matter. The beauty of Trello AI is that it adapts to your workflow, not the other way around. So if you're ready to ditch the overwhelm and embrace a world of organized bliss, give Trello AI a try. So there you have it. 5 free AI tools that are about to become your new best friends. From writing like a pro to designing like an artist and managing your tasks like a boss, these tools are here to simplify your life and unleash your full potential. But hold up, we're not done yet. This was just part 1 of our AI-powered life hack extravaganza. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell because in part 2, we're diving into 5 more incredible AI tools that are going to blow your mind. And as always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try out.